So what we're gonna do is we're going to, from my demo house here, show you what laying out the house is on your first floor here. And I'm gonna want to see your first floor looking good compared to your Planner 5D before we move forward. So you're gonna get yourself a board that's 9 inches by 12 inches. This is so it can fit in the cabinets. A useful thing is going to be this grid here that can help you transfer the 1/4 inch on the board to the 1 foot, equaling the 1 foot on the Planner 5D. Okay, now this can be kind of daunting, but really all it is when you look at Planner 5D, how wide are things? Okay, if it's 4 feet, it's just 1 inch. Okay, if it's 32 feet, it's 8 inches. So this 9 inch by 12 inch is like in Planner 5D. Where's 9? 9 inches and 36 feet. 12 inches is 48 feet.
PD, how do we
Okay,
measure?
so I hold on there first. Okay. So on here, okay, what I did was I actually brought it in 1 inch all the way around. You could build your walls to the sides if you wanted to and get the whole 36 by 48. Okay, I just preferred to be in just a little bit. Okay. So if I'm taking off the 8 feet, it's really on, was it 28 by 40. Okay. So using the T-square, how about we measure out the main outside, and this matches up to the Planner 5D that I made. How many points define a line? Do you guys know?
13.
13?
12.
2 points define a line.
Oh.
Okay? So every time that you can put 2 points, okay, or a point and an angle, the better. So I'm going to make a mark at 1 inch here, and then 11 inches over here, because it's actually going to be 10 inches wide, or 40 feet. And I'm going to do that down here too. Because I cut these boards, but you can see that they're kind of wavy, how they're cut. You're going to want 2 points to define a line. Okay? And then the T-square, you can kind of check and see if it's nice and square, but it's not really. Okay, so I would use the 2 points, and we're going to use the 1 inch over here, and then 1 inch to 8 over here. Okay, and then really you don't even need to keep the T-square tight now because you're not really using it for the T-square. Was I pretty far off? That was pretty off there. Okay.
45.
Okay, so I got my main outsides. So from here, you're gonna look on the Planner 5D, and how about we're gonna start in this corner, and that's gonna be where my garage is. Okay, and I can look real close. Okay, and it says that it's 16 by 16. So 16 feet.
Where do you see that?
It's 16 feet right there, 16 feet right there. Okay, they're tiny little things.
That looks like a 15.
Okay,
Can't read that.
How can you read that right now?
so you might have to zoom in a little bit. Okay, for the video, I'm not going to. So, 16 feet, looking at our grid, is 4 inches. Okay, so just pick a wall. Okay, 4 inches. Again, 2 points to find a line.
What's that mean?
1, 2, and the farther apart your inches are, the farther apart your inches are, the better. Okay, and it's 4 inches this way. Starting at 1, so I'm going to go to 5. Okay, and then I do have 4 inches here. I stopped at the 4 inches. I gotta make a mark here to know where to stop. Okay. And now I have my garage. Okay, now write it.
A garage. Garage, yep, so garage.
Okay. So my garage door, let's say it's 10 feet wide. So how big do I want? How much is 10 feet on here? It's so how this is reading is it's a half, but it's after the two, so it's 2.5 inches. Okay, and I'm just gonna put it like somewhat in the middle here. Okay, because you're gonna put it somewhat in the middle on Planner 5D. Okay, that way you know that you have a garage door there. Okay, I also have a door that goes into the hall over here. Okay, how wide is normal garage or normal like walk-through door, like our room door?
Like 3 feet?
It's basically 3 feet. Okay, so or 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so I'll use my ruler again. Mark it 3/4 of an inch. Okay, and then all I gotta do, since I want it to go into the garage against the wall, okay, that's a symbol for a door. Okay, just like it's on Planner 5D. It's you got the door, you see the door, but then you also see the swing. Okay, the reason why you see the swing is that way there's nothing in the way of it opening, right? Okay, you can't just stick a box or a cabinet there because the door's not gonna open. Okay,
If you push really hard.
even if you push real hard there, buddy. Okay, so, and then I think there's a window over here in the garage. Okay, a regular single window is 3 feet wide. Okay, and then all that is also a box. Okay, you can maybe design bigger windows if you wanted to. Okay, it's a question of Julius.
What if you're good at drawing 3D objects?
You're not.
So that's a good question.
Don't do it.
This is not, we're not really drawing in 3D here. We're building in 3D. So this right here is a 2D, two-dimensional floor plan. Okay, you got to think about how that wall is going to come up from there. Okay, and that's for another video. Okay, another instruction. So I just made one room. Okay, remember your whole thing needs to fit within the 36 feet by 48 feet. Okay, but if you're gonna have any edge on here, it's gonna have to be a little bit smaller. Okay, so
Let's
some
make
stuff
it
there.
like a what?